Okay, this is going to be a 6.8 liter complete block assembly, or CBA. So I'm going to show you what's going to come off. Front cover comes off. Water pump comes off. I apologize for the chainsaw. Rear cover, oil cooler, flywheel, oil pan, front cover, rocker arm assembly, and push rods. So the reason we're doing that is that we tried to, Deere sells a CBA. No one tells you that if you don't put a new water pump on, you have a warranty problem, there's an issue. No one tells you if you don't put on a new oil cooler and you have a warranty, you have an issue. No one talks about the time that it takes to install the other pieces, which is not a lot, but it is time. So instead of fighting the battle of I can get one cheaper from Deere, we're just going to skinny them down to like for like. We don't sell these as we don't sell these used. These are builders. These are DIYs. You only need one of these if you have a hole in your block. If you don't have a hole in your block, you just need to overhaul your engine. We also have these as just a short block DIY. So on a short block for us, it is the block, the crank, and the rods, period. No other parts are included. If you need other parts, we would have them, but that's just how we sell it. Makes it real simple, fits a ton of applications, and we're helping a guy that's got a hole in his block. So once we get these finished, load up a fresh video to show exactly how they turned out, and you'll know exactly what you're getting.